So, expert class final. Wala, gibuyan na. Expert final, expert final. La. Nakaw ng bata bay. Oy! Right by it. Mitchell Rivera. Kimboy Anton. Tora ng lupa na. Tora. Stanley. Bebelio. Ambo. Ernolario. Triple. Right by it. Triple. Tora. Mitchell. Triple. Oh. Hala. Wow. Wow, Ray by it versus Mitchell and Rivera. Grabe pagmangta si Ray bay. Grabe pagmangta si Ray by it. To ara. Mitchell and Rivera on second. Oh, the silent destroyer. Grabing pagmangtas. Approaching on triple. Right by it. Mitchell. Ito ala. Kimboy. Pineda on third. Anton Cortez on fourth. Stanley Bebelio. Amboya Parcon. Grabe Ray bay. Mitchell Rivera on second. Ray by it on the lead. Wow. Approaching triple, right by it. Grabe. Murag. Berte na aboga gyud. Berte na aboga. Grabe Ray by it. Full throttle eh. Wow. Approaching on triple. Ray by it. Wow. Grabe. Kimboy Pineda on third. Mitchell Rivera on second. Anton Cortez on fourth. Grabe, breakaway na si Ray bay. Ray by it, breakaway na. Wow. Breakaway, Ray by it. Approaching on triple. Wow. Kimboy Pineda on third. Anton Cortez on fourth. Stanley on fifth. Still Ray by it. Breakaway na. Ray by it. Wow. Mitchell Rivera on second. And then Kimboy Pineda on third. Anton Cortez on fourth. Bossing, triple. Wala. White flag na guys, white flag, white flag. Still leading Ray Betit. Bentley Rivera, Kimboy Pineda, Anton Cortez, Stanley Nanyesa, and Philip Bibilio. White flag na, last lap na. Isang ikot na lang, champion na Ray Betit sa expert category. Isang ikot na lang. Wow. Isang ikot na lang. Mag-tricks ni si Ray Ray ron. Mag-tricks ni si Ray Ray. Mag-tricks ni si Ray Ray. Wow. Excellent. Kimboy, Anton, and Stanley. Checkered. Checkered. Second Mitzi. Third Kimboy. Fourth Anton. Champion Ray Betit. Kalima Stanley Nanyesa.